Hey guys, it's Pascal, and yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you the new items that are in store. And yep, so let's get started. So the newest items are, I haven't done an update video for a while, but this was quite new a while ago. Same here, same there. So this wristband's new, spiked mohawk mustaches, which I just love so much. And then all the Halloween stuff, epic dragon wings, you can change the color of them. Epic dragon skull, halo. I didn't think that would come back. I don't really think that was a Halloween item. I don't know. Monster teeth, yeah. I got rid of mine before they came back, so that's good. Frankenstein mask, yeah. Vampire mask. And then in the den items, bat tombstone. World Animal Day banner. I don't know why that came back. That's like not Halloween. Giant phantom. Scary balloons. Ghosts. Yeah, and I think that's it. There's some stuff at the parties, but that's in 2 hours, 17 minutes, and yeah. This person is really nice. Again, they're going to see their new horse today, so good luck. You have a cooldown. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick update video on the new items in store, and you guys have probably already seen them all, but yeah, I haven't done a video on them, so where did she go? I'm just gonna pause the video so I can see her username. I just paused the video and her username was Vaughn789. That's great, she's offline. And well, that failed. So I'm working on a music video right now, as I just got a new album. So I will be hopefully finishing that up. It might just be a preview, but yeah, I'll still be doing that. And I've got my cat in the room with me. So, say hello, kitty cat. Meow. Yeah, that was totally him. That so wasn't me. It sounds nothing like me. That was so my kitty cat. No. Oh god, that is a scary person. Move it, move it. Okay, I can't remember where I got up to, but I got talking to a friend. Anyway, so I'm gonna end the video here now. So, bye guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.